Hi, I'm John with ExpertVillage.com, and we are changing spark plugs. Now we've demonstrated how to do one, same procedure on all four, and I've done them all. Now let's start it up. Make sure we all want them to wear evenly, so let's start it up after we replace all of them. Alright, it was successful. There's no misfiring. We want to make sure we can rev it up all the way. Again, let's just be careful when we do it. Let's be safe. And don't tinker with your spark plug wires or your spark plugs when your car is on, because you can get shocked, and that's not pretty. So now let's talk about other things that concern spark plugs that we can tell just from looking at our spark plug wires.